Scratchers! Welcome to our new Scratch tutorial. In this video we will look at how to make our sprite walk, and we will use our dear cat Scratch. The name of this project will be the walking cat. In order to make the cat walk, we need to go here to the motion section and pick this block. If we click on this block, we can see the cat moving forward. And now we go to look section and select new custom. If we press this block, you can see the cat moving the legs. Now we snap these blocks together, right? And if we want the sprite to take several steps at the same time, we need an iteration block here. This is repeat. We bring it here. Yeah. So, yeah, can you see? We click and the cat walks. We can change the number of repetition if we want. We can say 20, right? Or could be 30, right? Perfect. Now, of course, to make this program work, we need a green flag block, right? And also, as the cat is walking really fast, we will use a wait block under here, and we will use 0.5 seconds. So if we click on the green flag, we will see the cat walking. Perfect. Now I think that we should add a background. Yeah, let's see. So let's check here. For example, I love summer, so I will pick this one. Very good. Excellent. And now the day is beautiful, the cat is very happy, and it seems that it's really hot, right? So if I want, I can change the walking speed here. So I can write, for example, 0.2, and let's see what happens. Yeah, very good. Now we have our cat walking on the sand. There you are. Yeah. See you next time, Scratchers. Hope you like it.